Hi friends, Daigaho. It's been about a week since I got my Trident 800, and we've been working hard on trying to get through those first 600 miles needed for break-in.
I love this bike. It's a good bike.
So, we thought it would be a good idea to get a little lost in the Willamette Valley. We rode through endless vineyards and farmland towards the Coast Range, where we discovered a campground that literally transported us into Michael Crichton's Jurassic Park.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, the horseradish. What a cute name. Couvy restaurant. Oh, it's a French bistro. Oh, a scooter. Uh-oh, bump. Ooh, blind pig. Oh my god, this place is so cute! Oh, bumpy, bumpy. I actually want to stop at these stoplights here because I know small town cops are kind of mean.
This might look like a small sleepy town at first glance, but that street we just rode by is home to some of the best restaurants and tasting rooms in the area, which isn't surprising when you realize where they're sourcing their ingredients. The Willamette Valley is widely known for producing some of the best agricultural produce and wine, most notably the Pinot Noir. Unfortunately, alcohol and I don't generally agree, thanks to my Asian genetics, but eating, on the other hand, is definitely something I can both appreciate and enjoy. Speaking of eating, we couldn't pass by Dos Mundos in Newburgh without stopping for lunch. In my opinion, this place is easily one of the best food carts I've ever eaten at. They don't have a huge menu, and you'll often see seasonal specials, but you can't really go wrong with anything here. I recommend getting their tacos, especially the fish and shrimp if you like seafood. Their ahi tuna tostada is also amazing, but my personal favorite thing to get here is their rice bowl, specifically with the pork belly. I was swayed this time and got something completely different. The last several times I've come through, they have sold out of their Cubano sandwich. So when I saw that they had it on the menu that day, I just had to order it. And these tacos. Yes, they taste as good as they look. Look at this cross-section. This was by far one of the best Cubanos I've ever had, and the Parmesan fries were cooked to perfection. But as amazing as that Cubano was, I have to say, I think I still had food regrets because I couldn't get that rice bowl with their pork belly out of my brain.
And I think that's kind of like the rice bowl. Horsey! I freaking love their rice bowl. Because you know how much I love rice bowls. I think rice bowls are probably some of my favorite foods or favorite meals. And they just happen to make my favorite. Well, I love this bike. It's a good bike. I just saw a straightaway and figured I would open up a little bit.
I try to cut down on the clips of me making endless noise in my helmet. I figured that's a special kind of torture reserved for my husband. But all jokes
So many
aside,
vineyards out here.
riding
It's so pretty.
genuinely just makes me laugh and giggle. It's an incredible feeling that I always find hard to describe to others.
Yeah, and it was really easy to get to. Yeah. My navigation just says slight right to unnamed road.
As we approached the foothills of the Coast Range, the traffic began to lighten, and the terrain started to change. The farmland fell away, and the tree line started to thicken, which was a welcome sight in the 90-degree weather. And that is my husband fighting the urge to go off-road with his Svart.
I'm gonna stop here for a second. I'll catch up.
Patches of shade felt so nice. The endless curves in view were kind of a nice touch too, I guess. We had found a back road the previous night that should theoretically spit us out on the 101, but we found a sign that states that the road is not regularly maintained by the county, and it's unclear at what point it turns into gravel. Other than looking at a map to find this road and picking a general direction to head toward, we didn't really come up with a plan. The goal was to ride out west, away from the city traffic, and put some miles on the bike. We didn't quite make it to the end of this road. We hadn't planned to go this far to begin with. Both our bikes started to run low on fuel. There was no cell reception, and we started to get a little nervous about finding gas. But we were rewarded for our unplanned plans with a very special spot. Right before we were going to turn around, we rode by this hidden campground, just tucked beneath the trees right by a bubbling creek.
Wow. Wow.
I wish I could have stayed longer. I understand why people love their adventure bikes. I can only imagine how fun it would be to pack up all of your camping stuff and have the choice to go off the beaten path for a little bit. These day trips also inspire me to go for longer distance rides. I really want to plan an overnight coast trip and experience the 101 on a motorcycle. Maybe we'll do that next. But I can't complain when the ride home looks like this. For someone from Hong Kong, living and riding in a place like this could not be any more different. and we did hit our miles. So we rounded back to our dealership and scheduled our break-in service. I hope you guys enjoyed our little impromptu trip. Let me know if you guys enjoy little adventures like this. Happy riding, everyone. See you next time. Joikin!